Hey guys, let's see how to connect the TMY projector to my MacBook Pro that I have just right here. So it's pretty simple, okay? First thing that I have to do is just come here to your projector, and I'm going to use the remote control that I have just right here. Click the home button, okay? And then I'm going to come to the settings to make sure that I have the network connected, right? So here, I make sure that I have the connection to the router. That's the same one on my MacBook Pro, okay? Come here to the MacBook Pro and make sure that I have here the same network. There we go. The next step now is come here to the main screen again on the TMY projector and come to the iOS cast, right? So I click here, iOS cast, and now it's waiting for the connection. Next step, come here to the MacBook Pro, and here you're gonna find this option here for screen mirroring, right? When you click here, it's going to find the iCast, which is the projector. So I just click on this one, and it's going to mirror back there. It takes a while, and there we go. It's mirroring right now, so you see there that's working pretty fine. Okay, so when I move my mouse here or anything, it reflects there. So it works pretty good. Okay, and I come here, for example, and I have the image back there. If I play something here, it just plays there on the projector, and even the audio is coming from the projector right now. So it works pretty good. So that's the way you can connect your Mac to the TMY projector. It's pretty easy, and you can just come back here and connect it again, or you can use as a separate display. You can use a second display instead of the main display, right? And now when you don't want to use anymore, just click here and you're good to go, right? So that's the way you can connect your TMY projector to the MacBook Pro. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.